Imagine a bird taller than a man, a creature so imposing its footsteps echoed like thunder. This was Genyornis newtoni, the giant thunderbird of Australia's ancient past. We know of this magnificent creature from its fossil remains scattered across the outback. A complete skull, unearthed in Australia, has given us an unprecedented glimpse into the thunderbird's anatomy and lifestyle, and it is helping us piece together the story of Australia's ancient past. Genyornis lived during the Pleistocene epoch, also known as the Ice Age. This period, which lasted from about 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago, was a time of dramatic climate change, and in Australia, the first inhabitants would have encountered these incredible creatures. Burnt eggshells tell a story of early humans utilizing Genyornis eggs as a food source. The extinction of Genyornis coincides with the arrival of humans in Australia. Evidence suggests that early humans may have hunted these birds, contributing to their extinction. The discovery of the complete Genyornis skull is a major scientific breakthrough. This skull, found in pristine condition, provides a wealth of information about the bird's anatomy, diet, and lifestyle. It allows scientists to study the bird's muscle attachments, brain size, and sensory capabilities in detail. By analyzing these fossils, scientists can draw connections between Genyornis and modern birds, unlocking secrets of evolution.
Melodies in the weather, harmony alive. Light within the darkness, solace we find. Breaths sink like the wind through the trees. Harmonies rise, but the heart at ease. Gentle as a feather, floating on the breeze. Body and spirit from pain